Let's go.
So welcome to another video, a very short video. It is about when you face some audio problem on your computer. So I have faced the similar problem, so I want to share with you. So no recording is or no, it is not recording any kind of voice. So what you need to do, you need to right click on your sound system and go to from here, go to sound, and here you will see the option recording. And if you click on the recording, you will see here have three options: internal microphone, external microphone, and so on. So if you don't use any kind of microphone, you are just recording from your laptop. So click on internal microphone and go to properties. And from here you will see the option level. Okay, you will check this level, is this level is perfect or not. If you want to hear a bit lower sound, then you can click on microphone boost and lower the level sound. So you will go there again and click on level and click on microphone boost. So now I think you will hear very loud song. Here you can see that how it will be, how it will react. But if you click down it like 12, so it will hear less. You have to come closer, so it's not now sounding, so it's hard. So we'll keep at least plus 24. Okay, so now it's perfect, I think. So I will keep it right away. So this is how you can solve your problem if you have any problem with the audio. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.